first link. Okay, Thanos has asked the future benefits by studying R. So I came to know from Saktivel sir that Muthu sir is handling Python for you. So R is the basics. So once you understand R well, it will help you to understand Python better. Python is used currently in the industry for analytics projects. So this will be the benefit that you will gain by studying R. So it will act as a base or platform upon which you can build upon. So once you know R basics better, you will be able in a better position to understand Python. So once you click on the first link, you will be able to see a screen like the one displayed currently. So here you have to choose RStudio desktop free version because others are not relevant to us. You can click on download option. Then it says it requires R3. You're welcome, Thanos. You need R 3.0.1 or more. So we have R 4.0.3, hence the installation requirement is fulfilled. Now you can click on the blue color highlighted button to download RStudio for Windows. So a pop-up will appear. You can click on save file, then select next. Select the destination folder. By default, RStudio itself will select a destination folder inside C program files. If you want to install it in a different location, you can specify it using browse. Click on next. Then it will create a folder in the start menu. So you can click on install. It will get installed, and then you can click on finish. So if you click on the start symbol or window icon, you will be able to, and type RStudio, you will be able to see it on the screen. Just click on the highlighted RStudio app and you will be able to open RStudio. So let me just close RStudio and show you how to open RStudio. First clear whatever is there. Go to file, click on close all. If you have typed in a program and want to save it, save it. Here I don't have anything to save and hence I am giving don't save. Then click on quit session. So this is the right procedure to quit from RStudio. Now let me show you how to open RStudio. Click on the Windows symbol. Hi sir, which one do you prefer over the other, Python or R for general analytics and so okay, so at the workplace we are using Python, so Python is preferred, but as I said earlier, R is the basic. R is like C and Python is like Java in analytics. So we usually start with C, then learn other programming languages like Java, Visual Basic, etc. The reason being, you will be able to understand those programming languages easier. The syntax will be similar to what is in C. Like that, if you study R, you will be able to easily understand Python. So first study R, then Python, and Python is currently used in the industry. Let's click on the Windows symbol or start symbol. Type RStudio. So once I typed R, I am able to see RStudio. Click on it. It will get launched. So you have to first open a new screen. You can either use the shortcut Control N or go to File, select New File, and R script. The shortcut is Control Shift N. So here you can start typing. We have discussed about the R fundamentals in detail. So we have also seen a summary of whatever we have discussed in in an interesting format, that is in the form of two programs, Fibonacci series and factorial. I will share the PPT that we saw today, so you can take a look at it and try examples and exercises of your own. Do you have any doubts in the first session that we have discussed? So I will first address your doubts and then give an intro about the next topic. So do you have any doubts in our fundamentals that we have discussed so far? If you want to try executing something, we can execute it. Okay. Okay, fine. So I see two questions. Does R kernel work on Jupyter notebooks? And do we need to install any packages? I will get back to you on these questions. So now we will go for a break and then we will resume. So I will clarify our doubts and then I will give you an intro of what we are going to see tomorrow, that is data structures in R. So the time now is 4:25. You can take a break for 15 minutes and then we will discuss the doubts that you have asked for and see an intro of what we are going to see tomorrow, that is data structures in R. Saktivel sir, can we have a 15-minute break?
Sir, actually, sir, sir, meet பண்ண போயிருக்காருங்க sir. Sir went to meet Ajay sir. So you carry on, sir.
Yeah, okay. So thanks, Arul Cherian. So we will take a break for 15 minutes and then we will resume. The time is 4:25. We will get back at 4:40.